In the heart of a vibrant neighborhood, filled with the laughter and chatter of children, lived a curious and kind-hearted young girl named Maya. With her bright eyes and a constant smile, she was adored by her friends, yet went through a challenging day when a misunderstanding threatened one of her most cherished friendships. It was a sunny afternoon when Maya, along with her friends, gathered at the neighborhood park. Among them was her best friend, Liam. The two were inseparable, sharing secrets, laughter, and often their favorite treats. That day, however, a small incident escalated into a significant conflict. Maya had spent the previous night crafting a beautiful drawing, intending to present it to Liam as a surprise gift. She left it on the park bench while they played, but when she returned, she found Liam holding it, marred with an accidental ink spill. Hurt and angry, she rushed away with tears in her eyes, leaving Liam bewildered and remorseful. At home, Maya struggled with her emotions. Her mind was a whirlwind of anger, disappointment, and a longing for her friend, mingling with the frustration over her spoiled artwork. Her mother, noticing her daughter's distress, sat beside her, patiently listening to Maya's account of what transpired at the park. "I understand you're upset, sweetie," her mother said softly, "but sometimes we must learn to look beyond the accident and the hurt. Forgiving others can bring us peace, and in doing so, we restore the warmth of our friendships." Maya thought about her mother's words. She remembered the fun times with Liam, how his kindness always matched her own. With a deep breath, she decided there was more value in friendship than in the anger she felt. The next morning, under the soft glow of the rising sun, Maya set out to find Liam. She found him near the swings, looking downcast and almost reluctant to approach her. Taking a step forward, Maya cleared her throat. "Liam?" she called out softly. Startled, he looked up, hope flickering in his eyes. "I'm sorry for running off yesterday," she said earnestly, bringing forth her heart's sincerity. "I know you didn't mean to ruin the drawing. It was an accident." Relief washed over Liam's face, turning his anxious expression into a grateful smile. "I'm really sorry, Maya. I didn't mean it." "I promise to be more careful," he pleaded, his voice tinged with genuine remorse. A hug followed, warm and sincere. It was in that moment, cradled in forgiveness, that Maya felt an indescribable peace. The weight lifted from her heart, giving way to happiness and relief. Together, hand in hand, they walked on, laughter ringing once more, illustrating a vivid testimony of how the act of forgiveness had restored their bond.